Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a golf putter grip. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need your new putter grip, a sharp utility knife, and a vise with a rubber clamp to secure the club. Don't forget grip tape, grip solvent, and a catch basin to collect any excess liquid. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient, ensuring a professional result for your golf club. Now let's remove the old grip. Secure your putter in the vise, ensuring it's stable. Using your utility knife, carefully make a cut along the underside of the old grip, moving away from your body. Once cut, peel the old grip off the shaft. Then, meticulously scrape off all the old grip tape and adhesive. A clean shaft is crucial for the new grip to adhere properly, so wipe it down with a cloth. With the shaft clean, it's time for new grip tape. Measure your new grip and cut a strip of double-sided grip tape to that exact length. Carefully apply the tape straight down the shaft, ensuring there are no wrinkles or air bubbles. Peel off the backing to expose the adhesive. You can leave about 1/4 inch of overhang at the butt end, which you'll fold over for a neat finish. This provides a solid foundation for your new grip. Finally, let's install the new grip. Pour a generous amount of grip solvent inside the new grip and also over the entire length of the new tape on the shaft. Work quickly. Slide the new grip onto the shaft, pushing it down firmly. Align the grip perfectly before the solvent begins to dry, which happens in just a few minutes. Allow at least 8 to 12 hours for the grip to dry completely before you hit the course.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.